let's simplify our square roots. We've already done this before, so this is just a quick refresher. So remember, our square root is anything underneath our radical symbol. And if there's no numbers, we're looking at pairs. So here's our quick steps. Find the prime factors, meaning it can't be factored anymore, of the number under the radical. And it should say number or variables. And we're going to write that down underneath our radical symbol. And then for our square roots, when there's no number outside, no tiny little number up here, and we're going to take out pairs. And this is a cheat code for finding our prime factors of our numbers. So let's just dive right into our examples. Let us go. We got square root of 143x y to the fourth. Remember, we're not solving right now. We're just simplifying. We want to write down all of our prime factors, including all of our variables underneath. So I'm going to go to menu 2, 3, enter in, not 0, 143, and that is 11 and 13. And our variable is there's an x, and then there's 4 y's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I am looking at square roots, so we're pulling out pairs. That means anything that is double. We don't have any 11s, no more 13s, no more x's. Look, we got 2 y's. So we're under as a pair, and we come out as 1. We got another pair of y's here. So the only things we're pulling out are these 2 pairs of y. So we got y times y on the outside. Since there's no other pairs here, this just all stays underneath. So it's just going to be 143x. We can go ahead and multiply this y times y. So really on the outside, we've got y squared. Inside, we've got 143x. And this is it. This is the most simplified version of this example. So let's try another example, be below it. Menu 3274. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Okay, we have the factors of, 74 are 2 and 37. We've got x times 2 x's, and we've got 5 y's. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm pulling out pairs. There's only 1, 2, only 137. Here's a pair of x's, so I'm going to pull that out as an x. Here's a pair of y's, and here's a pair of y's, and then that y is going to stay in. So anything that I don't have a pair for, it's just going to stay underneath. So we're pulling out this x. We've got 2 y's, so really that's y squared. Square root of 74, and we got 1 y underneath. This is the simplified version of this square root. Okay. That BG032 ink is built basically get expired from the resident card. And so, we've got 712 and 6 A's. That's a lot of A's. So we've got 2 times 2 times 2 times 89. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 A's. Let's pull out our pairs. We got a pair of 2's right here. No more pairs here. We got some A's, another pair of A's, and another pair of A's. So on the outside, we've got 1, 2, and we've got 3 A's. So that means A to the third. squared, what's underneath? Anything we didn't underline and pull out. So we got 2 times 89, which is 178. And that's it. That's our simplified version here. One more example, just for the fun of it. Let's see. We've got 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times 3 times A. We got 2 B's. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, this number right here tells you how many we have. How many is being multiplied? All right, we got a pair of 2's. No more 2's here. We got a pair of 3's here. No other A's. We got a pair of B's. We got a pair of C's and a pair of C's. All right, what do we have? We're pulling out a 2, 3, B, and 2. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6. We've got 1 B and 2 C's. And what is left underneath? We've got 2 A, C. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions simplifying our square roots.